In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code in Canva in under 1 minute. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer and log into your account. From the home screen, click on Create a Design. For this example, I'll choose Logo, but you can pick any design type depending on where you want to use your QR code. Once the design page opens, look at the menu panel on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you see Apps and click on it. In the search bar at the top, type QR and press Enter. You'll see several tools appear, but we'll use the QR code generator. Click on it, and a small box will appear on your screen. Now, simply paste the link or URL that you want to turn into a QR code inside this box. In just a moment, your QR code will appear on the canvas. You can resize it, move it around, or position it anywhere in your design. If you're using it for branding, you can even combine it with your logo, text, or other elements. Once you're satisfied, click on the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose your file format, like PNG or JPG, and save it to your computer. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,